Hey, welcome to the channel. Gary from Streeter Motorsports. Got a couple of things that we're gonna get done today. First being, we gotta go to Harbor Freight and get the welding cart that we're gonna put the 3 welders on and the plasma torch on. We gotta take the old trucky truck. Someone lost the keys, so the keys are in here. Oh wow, they're not. So solution is go back and get the key. This welding tray that we're getting, it holds 3 welders. It's like a 500-pound max capacity, so sorry Henry, you can't sit on it, but we'll roast it. Yeah, it's basically just gonna hold 3 welders. Holds 3 welders, it has like a little bit of storage underneath, but we're really just trying to get the garage all sorted out so it'll be nice and organized for when we're ready to assemble the plasma torch. Also, I'll get to show you the conduit work that we got done from the last video I mentioned. I also want to get some Streeter Motorsports swag so I can wear them in these videos, like a Streeter Motorsports shirt. We have a Streeter Motorsports sticker on the truck. Good old truck. Roars to life. Check engine lights on. Make sure you fasten your seatbelts when you're driving anywhere. That car is covered in stickers. Can you say hippie? Harbor Freight is a great place to get tools and shop equipment for cheap. Especially if you're like first starting out with like a collection or like a business and you need stuff fast, but you don't want to spend like $2 grand on like a shop cart. Harbor Freight's great because it's decent quality. It's not as good quality as like Husky or Craftsman, but it does the job and you can always fix it too. We made it to Harbor Freight, as you can clearly see. All right, so we're just gonna go in and grab it and we'll see when we come out, all right? Bye. They're gonna load it up for us. So they just said to pull the truck up right here. And they said they're gonna load it, so see what happens. How big of a ranch? All right, so we officially got our welder now. Welding cart. Now, we just gotta get home and set her up. All right, so we're pulling into the driveway. We're just pulling up right here, as close as I can. Actually, I'm gonna back it. That wouldn't be easier. It wouldn't be easy? No, that would be. It wouldn't be? It would be. It wouldn't be? Whatever. How close am I? Oh, you're real close to the plasma cutter. All right, so let's hop out, get this bad boy down off here. We have this one right here. Then we have our Miller. Then we have our sheet. Where's the other one? This is the Vulcan Pro TIG. It actually is the same brand as our box welding cabinet. Oh my god, it's actually kind of heavy. Don't worry, I have a plan. You have a plan? What's the point of having one of these puppies if you can't use it? Whoa. America. So I obviously have a lot of work to do putting this thing together. I got lots of parts over there, parts over here. Just a lot of parts. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of assemble it. I'm not gonna record the whole process. So I'll see you when it's done. 3, 2, 1. There you go. It is basically completely assembled, besides the couple of trays over here. I believe the trays are used to separate some sort of part on the inside cabinetry. The shelves can go in here if you choose. And this welding table holds 3 welders on the top. So we got our Millermatic, which is TIG or MIG, and we got our MIG right there. Actually, I believe that's a TIG. Underneath here, you know, in those drawers, we got lots of welding equipment. We got one of our canisters right there. You know, air hoses hanging right there. There's still a lot to be desired here. We got to clean out, find out where all this stuff is going. But I was able to move some stuff out of the way when setting up the 3 wide welding table.